Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the coil safe. Hit the emergency stop and apply lockout immediately, then isolate the drive and brake circuits so there is no accidental torque. Once done, confirm the coil ID and orientation, mark rotation direction and top/bottom to avoid mistakes. Next, fit a tension meter and calipers and set baseline tension to the low end of safe range, 0.5% of rated, so your first braking actions are gentle but controlled. Begin a staged braking sequence. Apply a short 30% brake pulse, hold to observe deceleration, then increase to 60% once RPM drops predictably. Make sure you provide back tension via a dancer or secondary reel while engaging the clamp to prevent loop formation. Use measured pulse durations so torque changes are gradual. For most coils, ramp down should be under 10 seconds per 100 kilograms. Keep an eye on motor current and tension gauge. Adjust brake when the coil slows to near zero, fully engage the reel clamp and install a mechanical stop so no drift can occur. Tag the coil as secured. Once clamped, back off brake pressure to holding level and verify tension reading is stable. If the coil slips or drifts, reduce the braking rate, reapply controlled pulses, and consider adding friction lining or a 1/4 turn increase in clamp torque. Finally, inspect bearings, edges, and brake surfaces. Record the final tension and any adjustments for log.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.